Yep. It's looking, I got it kind of set up. Where I cut the hole out for the wires and just set it in there so you can see everything that's gotten done so far. So there is where I'm going. This is all got to be taken back out. I've had it in there before, but this is all got to be taken back out because I've got to get the last box in there. I get the last box in, and I'm able to finish the subfloor, work between each box of putting the plate in here and across through there and up through here and across through there and locking these down right here. So, but all the decking, which I ordered, is going to be on here, here, here. Haven't decided about here yet, or the backside over there. May fill this up with spray foam on both sides and cut it off, and then spray paint it black, and then just be the tops, and then down there, and then all the back deck. All right, everything is in. I ain't putting no pop rivets in the floor, but the 3 boxes are mounted. The rails going from side to side are mounted. Everything is solid. I filled in these holes somewhat with some foam, so I can spray foam and make a flat, cut it off and make a flat right there with spray foam. That's what I'm going to do on both sides. So I think the floor looks great. I think everything's coming out pretty good.